Chiegni kendo Jokanyo mag Board mar Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya okwedo mokalo paro mar weyo keto kwiri mag cathinone kod cathin mayudore e miraa kaka gigo manyalo rocho obwongo mar dhano. Paro mar chik mar keto lokruok e chik midendo ni Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Control mano Amendment Bill ma 2024 dwaro keto lokruok e chik mondo owe miraa oko mar bedo achiel kuom yedhe mamero ji kaka sani en gino ma jouso ywak ni ketho chich mar miraa. Jokanyo mag Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya mano PSK to kwedo paro makamano ka giwacho ni dhi ataro mar chike mapachoka kod chike matayo yedhe makamago e piny ngima.
We as the Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya strongly oppose this amendment, and we argue that it contradicts both the Kenyan Constitution and the international conventions to which Kenya is a party. We emphasize the health risk associated with cathinone and cathin, which are internationally recognized as psychotropic substances and that can negatively affect the mental health. Additionally, we wish to highlight that removing these substances from the list of the controlled substances could lead to increased abuse and health-related issues, potentially necessitating more government spending on the president's spending on the public interest.
Removing cathinone from chemicals that are classified as a psychotropic substance will be a big mistake. And out of that, if that one happens, the next thing that will happen is to have companies worldwide making synthetic models of the same and bringing those synthetic models to our country.
The medicine that is used in humans and the medicines that is used in animals is, from a chemical component, part of it is the same. So the regulations in terms of the medicine should be under one authority, which is the Kenya Drugs Authority.
Pinje mag Afrika koro ogolo kwayo ne riwruok mar piny mangima kokalo kuom WHO mondo ochwal sir madhi konyo e kedo kod rocho ratiro mag rowere kendo chiwo puonj